So I think this is one of the things that is very unique about the way I chose to tell not just my story, but then how can I recognize that for many women, what came natural to me, which was planning a road trip, it was not baked into other people's DNA necessarily, but they still really wanted to do it. And so I really thought a lot about like, how can I help women create a path forward, actually the path forward on their road trip so that they can go and experience that freedom and wonder and they can do it confidently. And so I came up with, eventually I ended up calling it a treasure map, but it's really the idea of, and in the book I drill down deeply into all of these things, is to really for women to think about what do they treasure, where do they find passion, and what are the things that make them cry in a good
Mhm.
way. And I think that really gets to the heart of the matter with each of us, and then turn that into how can I figure out where to go based on those things. So really what you're doing is identifying those places or experiences of travel that really speak to you.